and margins and the other things what. Now we will see about. So just a second. Okay, now we will see. So how to do a grid and flex. Okay, so grid and flex is a very important concepts. Yes, positioning in, we are in the relative and absolute, right? So we know what is relative and what is absolute. So now we will understand. So what is fixed and statics. Okay, so in absolute also we have something called as a Z index absolute. So what it will do is if I have some images or something like that and I try to import some text over that, yes, I can do that. So let's check how we can achieve this. So example, let me take one container. Or let me take some images. Okay, image is going to be, I'm giving a default dot jpg, and then width giving to be 100 and height is going to be some 140 pixels. Okay, so these are the images and I'm giving them one more paragraph. Instead of paragraph I will go with h2 or what's the other elements. Okay, I'll go with the paragraph class I will give, and it is E. The class name is E. Okay, so after this, I'm just giving a text. Okay, so let me take some text. Okay, this is the text. I'm just closing this slash paragraph. Okay, so after doing this, I'm going to use that Z index minus one. So what happened is the image over the image, the text will be gone. So let's see the example. IMG. So I think I have used the IMG one before itself. So I'll give the class name for this also. I will give a class equals to F. So now what I can do is, so here dot F, right? So dot F, I'm giving the position absolute. It's going to be left should be some 0 I'm giving, and then top also it's 0 pixels. Now I will give a Z index colon minus 1. Okay, let's check the output. So it is over here. You can see, the image and the text is over that image. For I'll also try to increase the width and height of the image. So width is some 100%. So now you can see the image is here and the text is over that image. So that is called as a Z index. Okay, and now we'll understand so how what to use. Sticky means sticky and fixed is there. Okay, in positioning we know what is absolute, what is relative. So now we are going to see about fixed and sticky. So now I will create one container. Okay, so after creating a container, I will use that to no, placed in somewhere else. Example, it may be in a top or it may be in a bottom. So I can position it anywhere else. Okay, for that, I'm going to use the fixed property. That is position fixed property to the parent. So let's see. So how we can do this. The same thing. So let's go here and I'm creating a one container. So div class equals to fixed. Okay, and I'm giving the container to be a nav bar, and also I'm setting some uh, color for this nav bar. Okay, so we'll give the style background hyphen color green. Like this I've designed that. And as of now, if I run this, I can see this one, right? And also, if I scroll this, that navbar got got disappeared, right? So, but what I will do is, so the class is fixed, so go up here and giving the class name, okay? Dot fixed. So inside this, I will give the position. So position is going to be what I will use. It is a fixed, right? So fixed, and then where do you want? So I want the top to be a 0 pixel, okay, and left is going to be some 0 pixels. Okay. So this is how it will be. And if you get down, so if you want to increase the nav bar and the height and width, yes, you can do it. See here, I'm just adding a text align to the center, and also I need some padding for this. So I'm adding some padding. So here you can see a nav bar, right? So if I just scroll this, you can see this nav bar, it's in a fixed place, right? It is not scrolling. So this is called as a fixed position. So it will be in a fixed position. So it will not be changed anywhere. Okay. So the next thing is sticky. So what is sticky? So example, uh, I'll create one more container. I will copy this. So in this container, what I will do is I'm changing this class name to be a sticky. One second. Okay, thank you guys for staying on this. So here I'm just changing this to be a sticky. So you can give any name for the class. Okay, it's not only sticky like that. And I'm just changing this color. Okay, let it be. It's blue. Okay, and just go up. Here I'm going to give something. So dot sticky. So here I'm just giving this to a position sticky, and I'm giving a bottom. So bottom value is something called a 0 pixel. And the left end padding. So here, so I don't want my right. So I'm just giving a 0 pixel for the right, and also giving some padding. So let's check. If any students are joining in between, so please put your name in the chat box, okay, so that I can pick it up. So see here. So so this is called a sticky. Okay, so see here. So just I'll change this to be a left 0. Left 0 pixel. Let's try this. So you can see here, right? So this is how it will be. So now what I will do is I'll just copy this, and I don't want it here. I want it at the bottom. After this table, I use. Okay, let's see. So now you can make something like this. So I'm just changing the bottom value also, if possible. Okay, just go up. The sticky, I'll change this value to be some top. So you can see, in this sticky, so it is in somewhat in the same place, but if you assign some value for some time, so it will be in a sticky mode. So it will be go along with the thing. Okay, for that purpose, you're going for a sticky. So for example, you can take some, WhatsApp call, right? Whenever you go for a website, so it will ask you to, just ask you to select the WhatsApp, icon. Okay, so like that we can design using a sticky. Okay, so next thing is we'll understand what is CSS flex and grid. It is very very important topic which you should know. Okay, so see here, we'll take Amazon website, and also a Flipkart website. Okay, so there are two websites we have. So first we'll go with Amazon website. Okay, so see here in this place what how the images has been displayed. So it is in a box. Within this box, you can see a multiple images has been placed. You can do this using a position also. How you can do that? Using a relative. You can set a relative, and you can assign the values. You can place the images also, right? The same thing you can do it using a grid. So how we can do using this a grid? So let's see.